Hello, good day all my dear friends. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here let's see the details of this new excavator from Super Frog. It is John-deere 1:14 scale E400. This version is basic version. You see, no quick connection, no hydraulic spare oil channel. That's the basic version with 3 main oil channel valve, big valve, and also with 1 more valve for circulating small valve. So for big valve, it is with all metal 35 kg servo and 1 small valve for when you're not operating the arm. It's a pump running for circulating, cooling the oil. And this one, it is 4 valve actually. It is 3 plus 1, 1 for cooling effect. So that's the cooler, and open the cover, you will see it's with 2 fans here. Actually now already are powered on, but the fan is not running. Only after the sensor telling the oil is hot, the fan will start running and speed up. No, actually now it's running at low speed. Means after you power on, it's already running. After the oil getting hot, sensor telling oil hot, the fan will increase in speed gradually by the oil temperature. More hot, the fan will be more speed. So here, I will open the cover, you will see, and actually on top, we can only see here, that's the servo coming from here. That's the all metal good servo for 3 main big valve. Under there, which one connecting to the small arm. Yeah, for small arm is middle one. Down there is another valve, small one is for circulating. Running in line with the small valve. So when you're operating small valve, the circulating valve is closed. When you're not operating, the valve is opened for circulating oil. Now I will rotation around. You will see from this side. Let's open this side cover. Right side, only 1 cover open. Yeah, it's steel body, steel laser welding plate body. So here you will see that's the metal servo, and down here we have 3 pump. Forward we have 1 more here, this angle. Forward we have 1 pump for big arm, and then for small arm, and then for bucket. Rear side bucket, middle small arm, and big arm. So each motion have 1 pump supply oil separately. So the pressure of the oil flow will not influence each other, so making more fluent operation. Rotation more. Here we got the oil tank, and on top this black cap is air vent plug, so with a hole inside for air coming out. So here we also remove it. When packing it with a screw for sealing the remaining oil inside. Now it's air vent, inside it's oil. Forward decoration, so it's fixed one with LED. Now let's see the cabin. Cabin door, we can open it, secured by magnet. And here, that's the power switch handle. We have the screen here. It's showing oil temperature now almost 32. And the battery remaining voltage, 12.5 volt, almost full. The handle pushing down, it is power off. Battery connected, radio on, then switching on.
Telemetry lost.
Powered on, and screen coming the sensor data. Close the cabin, close the door, and now let's put the battery back. Let's see from top the rotation. So driving backward, getting closer, let's see the rotation. On top, coming to here. Here, that's the rotation brushless motor with FOC censored EIC, so very accurately control. You see the motor already very slowly turning, but with the gear reduction, the body you barely see it's already start turning, so it's later with all the attachments. You can change attachments very easily because it's so accurate. Speed up, slowly reverse, and speed up very precisely. And for the chassis here, let's see, it's all stainless steel track shining. And also with very powerful brushless driven motor. All this chassis it's stainless steel welding plate and painting. Slowly drive, then you will see the track, how it's moving. And this side, we can see all the road wheels shining, also with chemical black. Outside, this supporting is shining. The wheels same as top supporting wheels is already chemical black. And the slow driving, you will see the track. It's not so tight. Simulation with the real one. Very smooth. And now I will raising the chassis to show on the chassis. So under the chassis, there you will see all the track connection wheels, each one with road wheel. And here we have one screw. This one is for adjusting the track tension. So actually you can lose the track a little bit more. So the track will be sitting down there, more realistic. And actually if you need remove the track for maintenance, you just lose a little more. So the track you can take off from the drive wheel and the idler wheel. The idler wheel, let's see, yeah, it's with spring tension. Let's raising the body. Now we will see the size and the weight for this one. That's full speed spinning, full speed to right, full speed backward. You see very stable, driving powerful. Full speed ahead. And let's see the weight of it. Steel one so heavy. So it's 22.8 kg with oil and one small battery, 3S battery, yeah. 22.8 kg. And let's compare the size. So the track length, it is 36.5, 36.6. And the cabin height, according to the warning light, it's around 25.5. And let's see the track wideness. From left to right here, it's 5.5. Here it's 5.5, track wide. 5.5, and from left to here, that's 25.7. Here with the small arm vertical to ground, the height here is around 39.5. And now let's move the arm all the way forward, reaching position, yeah. Total length, so from forward to bucket tooth to rear side of the body, yeah, it's almost 104. And now we will raising the big arm all the way up, top position. So here, let's see. It's around 75.5, 75.5. And the unloading, yeah, so bucket crawling back, and small arm a little bit, like this. The bucket already flat at this angle, yeah, or we put down, keep the bucket this surface flat. Let's measure this height. So from top of the surface, it is 39, almost 40 with the tools. And bottom to here, it's 29. And at this angle you're unloading, the bucket will move forward. Yeah, this unloading, most lower position, yeah. Actually, we can actually move unloading more height. So here it's 26. But mostly if we unloading with small arm a little bit more forward, even this angle, we still can unloading, yeah, because the mud inside will not coming out, and then you unloading. With this position, we can see here the distance from ground. So it's around, sorry, 1 minute. So it's 39. So mostly your 1 to 14 scale dumper truck, you all can unload into it, even a little bigger one. Now we will start the light, the sound, and driving around. The sound, engine started, the horn. Here the warning light, off, on, and the bigger arm LED, then cabin LED, rotation around. Cabin rear side also have LED. So this one we already setting up mix for rotation sound, hydraulic sound, but no track sound because the engine sound more realistic. Only the engine idle speed sound. Rotation, engine rolling up. And when you operating doing the digging, check out. Now I only mix pump, no idle speed, all 3 pump, all off and only mix in start. That's a little bit less speed, more easy control. That's only mixing start the pump. But if you want idle speed for more oil supply, more quick operation, so we start the 3 pump and giving idle speed. Now pump already starts slow rotation, so now we'll be digging more fast. Digging, now is more fast. Or if you give it more idle speed, it will be much more fast. Because each one pump supplying only 1 cylinder, yeah, they have plenty oil supply. And now I will switch off pump idle speed, pump off only at mixing control, slow operation, more accurate. The speed depending on you, yeah, how much you want the idle speed or no idle speed. So now this one, it is a basic version, 3 pump, 3 main valve and 1 auxiliary valve for cooling. After next month in the middle, we are coming out upgrade version. Will be 3 plus 6 valve, means totally 9 valves. So 3, 1 for big arm, 1 small arm, 1 for bucket, 3 already main valve used, and 1 auxiliary for cooling, and you still remaining 5 valves for attachments. The 5 valves for upgraded version, what will be is, first one, the hydraulic wrist quick connection, 1 channel. Then hydraulic wrist rotation is motor turning, and hydraulic tilting, hydraulic little claw at forward, and then hydraulic wrist bottom have again 1 hydraulic quick connection for bucket changing. Then you will have 1 more hydraulic for the attachments function. So totally 5 valve using here for the attachments. Let's see all the details. Copper pipe, then oil hose, then to the cylinder. Move around, see all these details on the body. Slow rotation. The mirror, the handrails. And here on the cylinder, copper pipe again, fine connections. And top of the cabin, window can open and have a slide inside, open and close. That's all the details and the functions. Hope after maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I hope I will soon receive the upgrade version. Then we'll show you all these valves with attachments, how is the fine operation. That one too much function should use 5D sticks. Thank you for watching. I will soon bring you more models. See you.